So the never-ending cleanup saga of the dome area. What I would like to do before this weekend is up is get this door on. So I am back here today. See what's going on in here. We're gonna light us a fire and then go do some other stuff and come back to this. Well, did I mess up? I decided to light the stove. I ran to the house to get something, came back, and it was so nice that I decided to go ahead and tackle that door today as opposed to doing whatever else I was going to do. And I was so surprised and so happy that I did. The only problem is I let the camera run out, so I didn't catch myself doing any of the install, even though I kept turning the camera around to myself as if I had it on. I don't know what I was thinking, but let me show you the final result because I got the door on and then ended up messing around, covering the floor with some insulation and moving that pink stuff that you see, moving that vapor barrier out of the way and then covering the floor up. And I think that tomorrow, Saturday, I am going to do a winter set up the glamping and just spend the night like it is just to see how it feels. It won't be a final look, but it'll just be me and my husband probably trying to put it together to just get a feel for what it would be like if we stayed out there and even stayed out there in the winter. So take a look. Here we go. You know, everything is kind of a little bit better from what you saw earlier. And there's the door. Once I got that door on, y'all, it really did change things. It made me want to do some more work. Now, remember, it is not insulated in there and the floor isn't finished. So it is still a little chilly, but it's okay. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tune in tomorrow for the Glamp Out Challenge, Winter Glamp Out Challenge. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it live or how I'm going to do it, but I will be back tomorrow and I will be out there in the dome. And look at Leo. We ended up letting Leo in with us finally. And he was so comfortable. So tomorrow, I guess I'll have Leo back there with me. Let me give you a couple of looks at the place. There we go with the door. I was so happy I got that door done, y'all. We ended up sitting there. Once the door was on and the heaters was going, we ended up sitting there till it got dark. Bye-bye for now. See you tomorrow.